Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials: backup and admin access. Make sure your personal files are copied off the machine, then open Command Prompt as administrator immediately. Once open, run a quick check of your activation and Windows version so you can restore the right build later. You do not need to linger in settings. Now that you have elevated CMD, you are ready to run recovery commands and proceed to the reset sequence straight away. Next, you execute the reset commands and verify recovery components. Type System Reset to open the Reset Wizard, or use System Reset Clean for a cleaner reinstall. Follow prompts to keep or remove files. If reset won't start, run reagent/info to ensure WinRe is enabled. When you see corruption, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano to fix system files. Make sure each command finishes before moving on so the reset can succeed cleanly. Once the reset completes, walk through initial setup, reconnect to a network, and let Windows Update fetch drivers and patches. Make sure you reinstall critical apps and restore your backed up files in a controlled order so nothing breaks. If the reset fails or gets stuck, boot from Windows Installation Media, choose Repair, then use Command Prompt to run dism and sfc from recovery. That usually fixes underlying image problems. One troubleshooting tip: always have a current backup before retrying a reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.